Okay, so what I've got here is a Panasonic IO-Link inductive proximity sensor. I've got this sensor connected to this Banner DXMR90 4K controller, which is an IO-Link master controller. I also have connected to this IO-Link master this really cool Banner K50 Pro Compact Touch with IO-Link. This will allow you to have RGB color on the device as well as a display. So the application that I was working on here is, this is a representation of it. These are aluminum staples, and the customer wanted to make sure that there were no aluminum staples embedded in a piece of wood. The challenges that we were facing is that due to mechanical constraints, we had to find as small of an inductive proximity sensor as we could find, or sensor that we could find, as well as be as far away from it as possible. In some cases, these staples would be embedded down into the wood where you couldn't see them with a photo eye. So what I decided to do was look at an IO-Link type inductive proximity sensor with the idea that maybe using the process data I could get a little bit further sensing distance than I would with the discrete output. And so I've got this sensor mounted about 3/4 of an inch away from the piece of wood. And when I move over to the staple, you'll see the output light turns on. It's also reading a scaled version of the process data. When there's no staple present, it's green. I've got another one embedded over here. It works really, really well. The other thing I wanted to point out is that the discrete output is not on until I get almost touching the wood. So the added capability of the IO-Link allowed us to get a little bit further sensing distance. And it's really one of the nice features or options of IO-Link technology.